Hey guys, what's up and welcome to today's video. We are going to be playing with something brand new from Kylie Cosmetics. This is part of her holiday 2019 launch. I have in front of me her Try It kit. Now obviously I am no stranger to Kylie Cosmetics. She has a ton of products that I personally absolutely love. I know that people have a lot of thoughts and feelings about Kylie's brand, the Jenners, the Kardashians, and I always touch on this when I review anything from Kylie. So I am here for the makeup to review it and to let you know if it is worth it or not. So that's what we will be doing today. So this is a kit you can get for 49 bucks. It says it is a $74 value. Inside of this, you get a blush, an eyeshadow duo, a lip liner, a velvet liquid lipstick, and then you also get one of these standard bullet lipsticks as well. Now the reason why I was drawn to this, obviously I am not a stranger to Kylie Cosmetics. Some of you may be. Some of you may have always wanted to try the brand, but you just didn't really want to shell out $45 for a single palette, or you're just kind of interested in getting an idea of how a few of her products work. I think that this is a great setup for that. Now I did try to film this previously, and of course, as per usual, it wouldn't be a Krystalkbeauty video if I didn't have technical difficulties. So I do have the blush on my cheeks right now. The blush inside of the kit is called We're Going Shopping, and this is one I think that launched when she kind of redid her blush and highlighter formula, which I did do a review on my channel as well. But it's a beautiful blush. Again, this is a formula that I am not a stranger to at all. I actually really enjoy Kylie's blush formula. It blends beautifully. It looks gorgeous on the skin. There's a ton of different colors that will suit many different skin tones. Really love the kind of baby millennial pink packaging. You do get a mirror on the inside. So this is a full size product that you get inside of this kit. Love that. You also get a little eyeshadow duo. Now, I've never seen this before, so this is something new to Kylie's brand. So you're gonna get two little eyeshadows here. You get a matte shade in the shade Topaz, and you get a metallic shade Quartz. So let's go ahead and do a quick swatch. Overall, I am a fan of Kylie's eyeshadow formula. I have a few of her palettes, and I really enjoy them. There's only one that I didn't like, and it was from her summer collection. I believe it was the Under the Sea palette. That one just didn't do it for me. So here are two shades right here. And now that I'm thinking about it, I wonder if these are the two shades that are inside of that palette. They look very familiar to me. Hold on, let me go check that. Now I did include this palette in a declutter, but I still have it. I do actually plan on giving it to someone. So My Treasure was the one that I'm thinking of. Let me see if these are similar to each other. So I'm gonna go ahead and put My Treasure right above Topaz. They're literally virtually the same shade. This one is just a tad bit warmer. This one's a little bit more cooler. So they are different. And then I think Topaz, I was thinking of this one right here. Sea Pearl. Let me see how that looks next to it. Oh yeah, a little bit different. These are just a little bit more cool. The ones in the palette are a little bit more warm. I'm actually relieved that they are different because I did not love this palette. Moving on, then you get a lip liner in the shade Iced Latte. So I will swatch that for you as well. I love Kylie's lip liners. They are so creamy and just pigmented and even and beautiful. So there is the Iced Latte shade, gorgeous shade. I love warm, spicy brown lips, especially for the holidays, fall time. It is so beautiful. Now this is something that I have not tried before. Now this is in the shade Bare. This is her velvet lip formula, which I am completely new to. I have only tried her matte formula, and shockingly enough, I love it. Usually I'm really picky when it comes to matte liquid lipsticks. Are usually not my thing, but I actually really like her formula. I'm really excited about this because, again, like I said, I haven't tried her velvet lip formula, and velvet textures, more hydrating lip products are usually what I gravitate towards, but that is a stunning color right there. It's a huge thing right now to do that really dark lip liner and then to put on a really light lipstick. Totally 90s vibes. I don't know how I feel about it together. This is just such a change. I'm gonna think about that. Lastly, we've got her standard lipstick formula. This is a matte bullet lipstick right here, and this is in the shade Almost Friday. Another formula that I have never tried before. I love that on the lipstick it actually says Kylie imprinted in it. I think that is so cute. And this is a beautiful color as well. So let's just go ahead and swatch that as well. Really, really pretty and very pigmented and smooth. So we're gonna go ahead and play around with this stuff. Like I said, I already have the blush on. Let's just go ahead and jump right into the 2 eyeshadows. I'm actually really into just very lightly carved out eyes and then like a pop of shimmer on the lid. I think it looks so beautiful and so simple, and just having nice, glowy, flawless skin. Kind of funny because in Tati's last video, I believe, she kind of said the same thing, and I was like, girl, yes, I feel you with that. So I'm gonna dip into this matte topaz shade right here in the little eyeshadow duo, and I'm gonna take my Sigma Blending E25 brush. I actually just picked up this Sigma brush. I felt like I was just kind of sick of the same eyeshadow brushes. I'm always using Morphe brushes, and I'm like, you know what? Sigma brushes are fantastic. I need to branch out. They blend shadow so good. So I'm just gonna kind of pat this all over the lid, bring it into the crease. This is a beautiful shade, and it's blending out really nicely, as you guys can see. While I'm blending this out, I'm gonna tell you guys something that is totally gonna shock you. So brace yourselves, hold tight. I have been loving, can't believe I'm saying this right now. I have been loving Tarte Shape Tape. Yes, it is true. I have been doing some different stuff with my skin lately. I don't want to say quite yet. Some of you may already know what that is, but right now I have the best skin I have ever had in my life. Like hydration wise, texture wise, like my skin is just so smooth and so soft right now. Battled so long with texture, and I'm telling you, it's changed my skin drastically, and I think that might have something to do with it, because before my skin was always so very dehydrated and dry and just needing of moisture so badly that I just relied so much on just heavy moisturizers and just constantly moisturizing my skin, which I still do, obviously. I'm just gonna drag some of this matte shade on the lower lash line as well. I still do that because my skin is still dry, but it's different. It's not like dehydrated, if that makes any sense. Like there's more of a moisture going on my skin. I feel like my skin is just holding on to moisture better. And if it is what I think it is, I'm really excited to share with you guys. So I just want to say that. So that shade is just really pretty. This is beautiful. You could stop right here. If you just want like a very simplistic look and you just want like that pop of color on the lips, this is the perfect shadow to do that with. But this just blended beautifully. I just want to like keep blending it out because it just works. And it just blends so beautifully. And it looks really pretty just on the lower lash line as well. Loving that. All right, I'm gonna go ahead and take my finger. I'm gonna dip into Quartz, which is that beautiful metallic shade. I'm just gonna kind of put that just kind of in the center of the lid, just to add like a little bit of shine. Very simplistic, but very beautiful at the same time. I'm gonna take a Sigma E47. I'm gonna dip into that Quartz shade again, and I think I'm gonna get it wet. Put a little Fix Plus on there. I'm going to use that in the inner corner. Now Fix Plus definitely amps up the glow from this shadow. That is really pretty. Do not need much at all. Put a little bit of that right on the brow bone as well. Beautiful. I love it. I think right now I would benefit from some eyeliner. So I'm going to take my Kyliner from the birthday collection. Since we're reviewing Kylie products, why the hell not? Let's just stay on brand. And I think I'm going to do a little bit of a wing. All right, to get myself ready for this. Her eyeliner is actually really good. I don't know if this is out of stock still. It was, and I don't know if they're bringing it back, but it is a really good liner. It's just very black, and I don't have to go over it a lot. It's just really pretty. Wow, that's like the most perfect wing I think I've ever done. Let's see if I can achieve the same thing on this side. They are completely different, but whatever. We're just gonna go ahead and go with it. This one's just a little bit more. I could do, God, this one just turned out so good. I don't even wanna mess with it, but I kinda have to. There, now they're more even. I'm satisfied with that. Pretty damn good for freehand and for someone who never does a wing liner. So I'm gonna go ahead and curl my lashes, pop on some mascara, and then we will move on to the lips. All right, you guys, so eyes are done. I am loving this wing. I think I'm falling back in love with winged liner again. Maybe, possibly. I don't know what lipstick product I want to use out of this. Maybe we will just try both to see how they look. So let's just start off with the Bullet lipstick. This is again in the shade Almost Friday. Okay, that went on like nothing very easily. Now, is this a shade that I would wear all the time? I don't know. I mean, it's a beautiful shade. It is what I would consider more of a nude shade. This is something that you could wear every day with a bunch of different looks. It looks beautiful with this look as well. Pairs beautifully with the blush. It's just not something that I think I would reach for all the time. I feel like I'm going to be more privy to this right here. So let's go ahead and get this off. Removing lipstick is a tricky game when you've already done all of your other makeup. I have a lot of redness to my skin. And if I go too far outside of the line of where I applied the lipstick, you can definitely see like some demarcation and I look silly. I think we are good enough. We're gonna go ahead and do it. We're gonna use Ice Latte Liner and then we are going to use this little guy here. I'm gonna try and see how I look with this trendy, darker lip liner situation. Her lip liners just go on so beautifully. This color is really pretty, so on its own, let's see how it pairs with this lipstick. I'm very nervous. All right, let's do it. It's actually not as bad as I thought it would be, but you guys, this look, it's just not my thing. So I feel like I would use these separate from each other. This liquid lipstick color though is straight gorgeous. I'm gonna try to cover up as much of that dark liner as I can because it's just not my thing. This lip color Bare is absolutely beautiful. I love it. You can still see somewhat of that dark liner, but I think it looks a lot better. This reminds me a lot of the Kylie shaded Kylie lip kit that I absolutely love. That was like the first lip kit that she introduced that had that darker liner with the lighter liquid lipstick with it. That one is a matte shade though, but this is actually really pretty and I am digging this eye look with this lipstick. This is giving me kind of Ariana Grande vibes. I think it looks absolutely beautiful. So what I say this kit for $49 to get a blush, these two very beautiful, very blendable eyeshadows, the velvet lipstick, the lip liner, and the bullet lipstick is a good value. Hell yes. I think that this kit is totally worth 49 bucks. I think that it's almost like a complete look. Like if you are someone who just wants like an everyday collection of shades, lipsticks, things that are just neutral, something that you can just reach for every single day that is easy and effortless, I think that this is it. It's just beautiful. It looks effortless. It's just a really pretty daytime, everyday look. And yeah, I think I'm really actually digging the lip. If you don't want the harsh line of the deeper shade, just kind of bring that lipstick closer to it. And then you just kind of got like this just slightly dark outline right here that just makes your lips just look a little bit bigger and a little bit more plush. Yeah, I think I really, really like it. So I would give this kit a huge thumbs up. I'm going to try my best to find the actual launch date because like I said, this is exclusive to Ulta Beauty and I think it's a really good kit. Again, for 49 bucks and what you get in it, I think it's awesome. Leave your comments down below and let me know what you think about this. Have you caught wind of this kit? Were you kind of eyeing it? Have you been kind of curious about Kylie's formula? I think that this would be a great introduction to her products and they're a smash hit. This collection. It's really good. Give this video a huge thumbs up if you like it. Are there any other Kylie products from her holiday collection that you would like to see me review or any other holiday makeup items? I am a huge fan of holiday makeup collections. They just, I don't know what it is. They're so beautiful and inspired and just, I love the packaging. Everything about it just totally gets me into the holiday spirit. I love you guys so, so much. Yes, if you haven't already, before I even forget, be sure to subscribe to my channel before you go and hit that bell button so you get notifications when I upload videos just like this one. I love you guys so much and I will see you in tomorrow's video. Bye guys.